Hey friends, who's hungry? Liven up your boring weeknight dinners with this quick and delicious teriyaki salmon recipe cooked to perfection in the air fryer. In a small mixing bowl, combine 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of rice wine vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of chili garlic sauce, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, and 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce. The chili garlic sauce and the oyster sauce can be found in the international foods aisle of your grocery store. Whisk everything together, then place 4 8-ounce salmon fillets in a large freezer bag. Pour half of the teriyaki sauce over the salmon, then seal the bag and toss to coat the fillets with the sauce. Allow the fillets to marinate in the teriyaki sauce for a minimum of 30 minutes. Spray the basket of the air fryer with cooking spray. Arrange the salmon skin side down in the air fryer. Discard any leftover marinade in the bag. Bake the salmon at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 12 minutes until the fish flakes easily with a fork. Drizzle the fillets with the reserved sauce or serve it as a dipping sauce on the side. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.